Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May Minta. If you don't know, now you know. I'm back with another hair review. This is a wig from Beauty Forever hair. It is gorgeous, honestly stunning. I'm just gonna talk you through on the way that I installed this wig. This is a glueless wig, so installing is really not the word, but you know what it is. This is a wig that you can just put on and leave the house, but you just need to prepare that wig now so you can do that every day. It is beautiful. I'll share my opinions along the lines and my pros and my cons. I don't really have anything that bad to say about the hair, but just keep on watching. So this is the wig. Right out of the packet. It's still got a net on top of it, but it's gorgeous. The color is gorgeous. I'm scared. Guys, look at that. It smells like a factory. Are we surprised? No. But do I always wonder how other type of hair smell from different brands? Yeah. It's the typical wig smell. We all know what it is. It's like burnt and a bit smelly. I would wash it if it wasn't like for today. What you get is a wig cap. I've got one on right now, but I think I will use this one. And you get a band to lay your wig. And you also get two straps to secure your wig, which is really a plus for me because sometimes I do need that. The details of this wig: it's a 7x5 wig. It's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and as well it has invisible nuts. That's what it says. Do I know if that's the case? But that's what it says. The curl pattern is more a jerry curl pattern. It's supposed to be 24 inches. I do think it is not true to length. Is it 24 inches when you stretch it out? Maybe, but for me it's not true to length. I don't think so. I've had 24-inch wigs. This is not it. So I would say that that's the downside, plus the smell. I ordered it and it came within 5 days, so shipping was perfect. I live in the UK. I was actually surprised on how quick the wig came. Gone are the days that you need to wait really long for your wig through these type of vendors. This wig is about £207, but I had some first buyer's discount, so it was a bit less than that, but it is worth £307. What I'm gonna do is add the strap to it so it's more secure. Because it's a glueless wig, I don't want to take no risks. The first thing I'm gonna do is put some foundation on the lace, because let's be for real, this is not my skin tone.
Vibes on vibes, I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no big.
Ooh. Is this me all my days? This is the wig just on top of my head with nothing going on. This is really glueless, guys. I need to just put some foundation on this hairline and that's just it. You also have like the little combs on the side to secure your wig even more, which I always use because it's always windy here in Manchester. You just never know what's gonna happen. And I think you also have one in the back, so you're really safe. Just to get rid of some of my flyaways, I wouldn't use a wax. I don't like the finishing of a wax. I'll just put some mousse on my hand and put that on top of my hair. I have some powder that I'm going to, or my bronzing powder, but I prefer my facial powder that I'm gonna just put on the lace so that it can just melt a bit better, even though I feel like it's good, it's great. But the thing is, I already removed some of my makeup, so I just need to sort that out. I think the parting is quite visible, but just for some extra visibility, I'm going to use my concealer. If you want to take it a step further, you can use your hot comb. Honestly, it's not a must, but I just want to make sure it's just a little bit more flatter than it is. either you lift the hair like this. You can cut it in layers. I can cut my hair in layers because I'm a loser. I can definitely say that this is not a 24-inch wig, but I'm really happy with it. It's very easy to install, very quick. I should have done a better job, but girl, I don't believe in spending too much time on glueless wigs. I really like the curl pattern like this. It's actually really cute, really sexy, and very young. But I am going to use a spray bottle to put some water on my hair because I always love the wet look whenever I have a curly wig, but that's completely optional because it's really cute like this. This is with water and this is just a natural curl pattern. So you see, it does look a bit longer. Oh my god, this is really cute. This is really sexy. I changed my lighting. I prefer my lighting like this so you can see the true color of this hair. With water, with no water. This is some of the shedding when you spray the hair with some water. Minimal shedding. Do I expect shedding with hair all the time? As long as I buy cheap hair or cheaper hair, it's always going to shed. So if you don't like shedding, girl, this is not the wig for you. This is the end of the review. Let me know if you want me to try other wigs from Beauty Forever Hair. If you have any tips or questions for me, because I'm always open to new things to improve my glueless installs, because I'm a lazy girl when it comes to wigs. So just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.